The topic of today's video is how to make glitch effects in Davinci Resolve. So I am gonna let the video play a little bit so you guys can see what the video actually is, because once I put on this glitch effect, my PC is going to have a panic attack. Alright, so once you have your clips, all you need to do is head over to the Edit tab, and you want to go to the top here where it says Effects, and then into the Toolbox, and then Effects again. And then all you want to do is search digital glitch. You can just type DI, that should bring it up. And now you can just drag the digital glitch effect onto your video. And here you will see my computer having a malfunction. And on the right hand tab here, you can edit the glitch effect to your preference. Things like adjusting the chroma scale to bring the glitch effect a little bit closer. It just seems more like an overlay than anything. Adjusting height and width and so forth. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.